In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily switch back to a personal account on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off, you need to open up Instagram app and then head over to our Instagram profile. As you can see, I got that professional dashboard here, which means that currently my account is a professional account. And now let me show you how we can easily switch it back to a personal. To do that, we need to tap right here at these three lines, then select Settings and Privacy. And that's where we can easily find Creator Tools and Controls. Then down below here, tap at Switch Account Type, select Switch to Personal Account, switch to Personal Account again, and then just wait for a while, 5 maybe 10 seconds, and then you can head over back to your profile, and if you refresh the page, you can see that now professional dashboard is gone, which means that we have successfully switched our account back to a personal. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.